A maintainer reviewing community pull requests almost merged a vulnerability that would have handed their repo secrets to a stranger's code. Caught by luck, not process. That's pull request target, combined with checking out a fork's head, well known, high severity, and still gets merged into real repos. GateCheck is a GitHub app that watches every push and PR and can halt CI pipeline before checkout, not flag it after the fact. Here's the part I'm most proud of. Aurora DSQL uses optimistic concurrency control instead of row level locks. No select for update, no skip lock by design. Writes can hit a serialization conflict when two transactions touch the same row and application catches that and retries. We designed directly for that model twice. Our cron worker claims scan jobs every 60 seconds with a two-step optimistic claim. Select, then conditionally update, so a double claim returns nothing instead of a double processing. And a push webhook and a rescan can raise to write the verdict for the same commit. We handle that one with statement insert on conflict, where every column is guarded by a severity rank comparison, so medium finding can never overwrite a stored critical, even on a retry. We cache DSQL serialization code 4001 directly and retry with backoff. This is building with DSQL's concurrency model, not despite it. Two engines share one dashboard. A deterministic rule engine, 16 detectors, 0 LLM, walks the actual GitHub actions via MLAST to catch supply chain patterns, hard-coded secrets, and privileged containers on every push in milliseconds. And six Gemini 2.5 Flash agents review every PR in parallel. Security bugs, performance, readability, best practices, docs synthesized into one verdict with a confidence score. Here's the proof it's real. A GitHub action queries our decision API as the first step of any workflow and exits before checkout if blocked. Watch. Push a bad PR, the dashboard logs it, and the action halts the pipeline. That's the whole mechanism live. GitHub Advanced Security and Snyk already prove this category has a buyer and a budget. Our differentiation isn't AI reviews your PRs, that's crowded now. It's that the deterministic gate and the AI review share one database, that's also the job queue. No Redis, no broker, and we designed for DSQL's consistency model directly in the data lake. Instead of bolting on a log-based pattern on top of a database that doesn't have logs, the buyer is any team accepting outside contributions. Open source maintainers, agencies, companies with contractor access, anyone who can't fully trust every repo request that lands on their repo. GateCheck is live at the link provided on the screen. Installable as a GitHub app today, not a simulation of a security gate, a working one, built with Aurora DSQL's concurrency model, not around it. Thanks for watching.